car. Yeah, about to get ready to go, and I'm really excited to see them because it's been 2 weeks and I'm a homebody and I love my family, so yay!
I'm coming home, I'm coming home, tell the world I'm coming home, let the rain wash away all the pain of yesterday. Tell me who's your boogeyman, that's who I will be. You don't have to like me for who I am. See what you're made of, but what you make up, made and all you think is absurd. Then you think I am the derelict, falling out my fight.
I'm getting paper, look at me now, oh, look at me now, yeah. Fresh to the ropes, man, from these residents. How y'all doing? I'm Latunche, I'm a nuisance. I go stupid, I go down like the Three Stooges. I don't eat sushi, I'm this shit, no, I'm pollution, no substitution. Got up that plate and movies in my jacuzzi, put my juice in.
I never tried to put my life meaning by demeaning you, and I would like to state for the record, I did everything that I could do. I'm not saying that I am a savior, I just don't want to live that. Good.
Wow, wow, wow. It's kind of cool.
Wait,
They
That's pretty
captured
good.
that sound very well.
did. He's swimming. I'll do it again.
It's a pink lemur. This is true. Yeah.
Do it over there. No, don't point at
I'm
me.
not. I'm not.
I don't care.
Maybe they're trying to make a point. Hummingbirds don't make noise. It's dying a little.
Very cute. Okay.
One of my favorite things in this whole world is art supply shopping. So much stuff. If I was rich, I would probably spend most of my money on art stuff. Because how can you pass up a brush like this? I don't know what I would do with this brush, but
Flower time. I wonder how they feed their babies. That's cool, Audrey. You got a good close-up of that?
try it. It's like, maybe I can get a drink now.